Hey guys, it's Gabby. So for today's video, I have partnered up with Sally Hansen to show you guys their new Jelly Belly Insta-Dry collection. And I'm going to be doing this video a little bit differently. So instead of like going through and talking about each polish, I'm just going to kind of talk about the collection as a whole while I'm doing swatches in the background. Mainly because I feel like I get so repetitive when I do videos like this. So we're going to try it this way and you guys can let me know what you think. So yeah, this collection has 11 different shades. 6 of them are creams. One is more of a jelly polish, and then it has 4 crelly polishes. Right now, you guys are seeing swatches of the cream polishes, and oh my gosh, you guys, I was so impressed by the formula on these. Like, all of them, except for this pink one, were pretty much one coaters on me. Like, they were so close, but I had like a few bald spots, so I ended up adding 2 coats for all of these. But my nails are also longer, so if you have shorter nails, you should be able to get away with 1 coat on these. And all of these leveled out so nicely. Actually, the whole Insta-Dry collection advertises that like you don't need a top coat with them. And honestly, at first I was like, okay, like sure you don't, but you actually don't. Like they all have that really smooth glossy finish without a top coat. So this whole video, I did not use a top coat, but I did still use a base coat because these are some really bright and bold colors and you don't want to have any staining. So I would definitely recommend using a base coat still. And yeah, so that is it for the cream polishes. So next up is coconut, which has more of a jelly formula, and because of this I figured it would be about 3 coats, and it was, to get it completely opaque. And even if you have short nails, this will probably still be a 3 coater on you, but the coats do dry pretty fast, so just make sure you're keeping them thin and you won't have any issues. And lastly, this collection has 4 crelly polishes, which I honestly liked a lot more than I thought I would. So as far as number of coats, it really just depends on your personal preference. So you can see with that first coat, you get that sheer look with the glitter, which I honestly really like. So I think I would just do 1 coat. But with that second coat, you see the base start to build up. And I actually did 3 coats for buttered popcorn. And then with the other 3, I only did 2 coats just because I feel like a 3rd coat wasn't needed. Like I said, how many coats you do is really up to you. But I do have to say, strawberry cheesecake with 1 coat, I don't know why I love that so much, but it's like subtle, but then it has the glitter, so it gives it a little something something, so I do really like that look. And then with Tutti-Fruitti, even though I'm applying it like a normal nail polish, you can also use this as a topper just because it has so much glitter packed in there, and then it also has a very sheer base, so just throwing that out there. And wow, I love that I'm going through and talking about each polish when I said I wouldn't do that. But again, all of the crellies did have a good formula and they did level out nicely. So yeah, that is it for the Jelly Belly Insta-Dry collection. Let me know what you guys think, which one is your favorite, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!